Create quiz in Microsoft Forms. So hello guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily create a quiz in Microsoft Forms. So first thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser and just search in for Microsoft Forms just like this. So once you search in for that, just click on this first link and wait for a few seconds. So basically, once you're inside here, just tap on this new quiz button over here to simply start a new quiz. You can also try with new registration, feedback, research pages over here. So I'll just click on this quiz button or quiz page over here, and which will automatically create a quiz form for you. So basically you just have to enter your quiz title just like this. So let me just quickly give it a name. You can also give it a description and click on the quick start with choice if you want a choice or text checkbox like this. So I'll just simply give a question just like this, and you can also edit your option like this, and you can actually share or collect responses by simply tapping on this. So once you inside here, finally you can just simply send it to the particular person or people or group or channel, a specific channel, to answer your quiz, or you can simply copy this link and send it to any preferred person and they can view it by simply opening this link over here and heading over to your questions, like by simply selecting this and simply submitting. And once they submit, you can easily view your response under the response section from over here. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.